Hello everyone, uh, welcome to another section of this personal training, personal workshop HTML. In today's video, we are going to be talking about a list and a table. We're going to be talking about list and table. On this my list file, you can see I have many files that is on my HTML file. So today we'll be talking about list and also be covering table. What is list? Or know what is list? We have seen list one way or another before in hand. If this is an organized document, in a list we have a default list. We have two types of lists, which is order list, which is the OL. Then we have the unordered list, which is the UL. As you can see, I already have a file that I've already worked on here on my VS Code, my HTML VS Code, but we are going to be adding another list. We're going to be adding another list. So let's go here. Okay, so enter. You can add this by doing list, the list button, the list button. Okay, enter within our list. Or if you don't want to do this way, let me comment this. If you don't want to do this way, you can use this list volume greater than OL or that list greater than LR. Then you do the multiplication sign, which is the shift and the 8. So you put numbers of list you want. If it's 4, you have the 4. You click enter. So you have your list. You see, you have your list. This here is the list. The list now you input which you want to input. I want to input my name first. Print. One I can input. IU. Dot one I can input opunga. Put one I can input. Say goodness. Okay. This is a list. How to create a list. OL. Order list means stand for order list. Okay. Maybe I should comment. You guys remember how to comment on the other video. Okay, let's comment on the body. So commenting you go like this. Quotation mark dash. There's a comment icon. There you can cut here. Ctrl X. Bring it down. I wanted to comment on this other this because maybe this is being commented for you to feel more, for you to have more deeper understanding on the commenting style on every languages. You have to keep on using them. So this is it. I've commented on this. Then we are going to be using this one. We're going to be using this list I've created. You can see we've created a list for that list. This is list OL, then LI. So but I'm going to quickly comment it so you can recall on this. For you to create a list, you create LIS list, create OL, create LI by 4. This is what we did. Automatically give us this list, so you can check it out and try it for yourself. So this is a list. This is a list. You're really wondering how a list would look like. This one also list. You can see the list LI, list, other 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 list. And don't forget to give it your paragraph. Let me see which one, enter list. On this list now, we're going to have we're going to move it. So this is a list. I know that you guys will be wondering how this will look like when we run it. So we are going to do that and come back to our code. This is a list. So if you can remember how I told you guys how to run it, you go here, the upper left corner, you click on this three dot, click on terminal, run active file. You run active file. Let's see what you run. Okay. As you can see, this is the list. This is what we created. So you can see how this look like. You can see how this look like. So this is the name. This is how this look like. So that's how to create a list. A list greater than OL. If it's on other list, you put UL. Then you greater than LI multiplied by the number of columns you want the list to be. If you need 5 or you need more than, so that is a list. So let's go back to our code. Okay. So that is a list. Another thing for the list defaultly it comes with the numbers. Let me take some. Okay, we have our list that we are working on here. Sorry for we have our list we are working on here. We can copy this. Copy. Let's put another list down here. So let me see, we have another list here. List 2. You see, this one should be list 2. List 2. You have another list. Then if you want to add types, types are used for specifying the, let me say, is it, I call it the numbering styles. Let me see. On this your list, at the end of your list here, you skip the space, you type, you type, you assign, you assign it to an I, I, C, type. Mm, mm. Okay, guys. Welcome. So on the list 2, you want to change the numbering. It's called numbering. If I'm wrong, correct me on the comment section. It's called numbering. For you to change the numbering, you put type. So the type, you can see that visual resource type is the numbers we know, which is as well the default list format is given in numbers. This is alphabet, the capital letter. This alphabet, the small letter. This is a small I, which is for nearly time Roman. But let's explore. I'm going to show you everything about it. For the capital letter, let's run it and see. To run this list, you come here, run as active file. You see, on active file. As we can see now, our list has changed. So there's the list 2 has changed to alphabetical capital letters. So let's go back and try the smaller letters. So if I'm going to change to a small letter A, let's see, run an active file. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, so you can see now we have it in the small letter, so you can see what type is. Then let's go back and put let's put the I, small letter I. small letter I, run, run an active file. So you see, come out in the new time Roman figures IV. So you can see this is the list on how to change the numbering. So that is list. So this is the list of how you can change the numbering. I. So we are there. So let's go back to our code. So another quick reminder: if you're already on a browser that runs your HTML file, like mine is Opera Mini. Let me give you a brief discussion about the Opera Mini. Opera Mini, as you can see, there are lots of files here. This is caused by consistently repeating the launching, running it through the same process as done before. So actually, if you want to still, you don't want to continually going to launch it or run it, you can just come to your browser that you're using and refresh. Your refresh button here, refresh button is this way. It's this way, or you use your control arrow. That is control arrow refresh to refresh. Then you see what you're working on. It will change because when you come to your editing, it does not automatically change on its own. So you have to refresh your browser for you to see the changes. Okay. Let's go back to the code. So that is the list. Let me explain. This is the order list. Then this as you can see, default order list you worked on. Default order list, like you can see, the list that is at default comes with a numeric value that is 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. Then order list with alphabets. Order list with alphabets. The capital alphabets. This is capital letter A, which I've shown you the small letters A. Then we have order list with Roman figure, which is a small letter I, which I've shown you guys a Roman figure. Order list we start from. Okay, let me explain the start from for you guys. Order list we start from. The order list we start from. Order list we start from. This order list we start from gives the number which it will start to count. For instance, this start is equals to 10, and type is Roman figure. But let me change this thing to default, or okay, let me just put it on small letter I. So we are going to run this OL order list with start from. As you can see, this is the code. Start equals to 10, type equals to 1. I'm going to go to my browser which I used to run this code, so that you're going to see the magic. And there's no magic here, just believe that you can do it consistently practice. Look, computer language, one of the easiest language. HTML is one of the most easiest language I've discovered. It's simple, even as you proceed. You just have to be able to follow on, understand it, and moreover, if you are working on these languages, it's preferable and advisable you get a project or get a project. You'll be building stuff for the project. Yeah, learn how is this built, how is this built. So you know how is everything built, then bringing them together. You can build a project for yourself or be a value asset in the community of the world of tech. So let's go to our browser. So this is our browser. This is our browser. As you can see, these are the lists on the file. So the list start from, and this is the start from. This is start from. As you can see, since it's a Roman time figure, it starts from X, which is the 10, and downward. But let's see what the other way around looks like. Let's go and change him. So go back to our code. So let's see if there's no type. There's no type. It will bring us back to where we are. Let's see what's gonna give us. So let's see where we are. Other list we start from, you can see the 10 now. Inside the list, the type it returns to the default, which is the numbers. So we started from 10. You can see the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you can see them. Okay, this can go more deeper, so I'm going to show you one of the list type as well. So sometimes you guys will see this fancy list. How is this list done? Like this list done? Square, circle. So just simply we're going to cover only a list today. So I'm going to talk about table in other videos. HTML. So you can see the list or where you get all those shapes. Default on order list. Okay, those shapes you see, circle. As you can see, we have a circle here on order list with circle. On order list stands for UL. UL stands for order list. So particularly if you want to say want to do, let me give it a comment. Want to do an order list, you can do it this way. UL minus the number of list you want. If it is 5, 56, you can know specify it and press enter. The VS Code dashboard is easy to learn and easy to control based on most things are mostly already programmed for us for it to also experience an easy life. When you put your you can see when you move around the text, can even give you explanation of the H1 element. H1 stands for header, UL on order list, LI list item. So let's see what the circle that is type equals to circle list looks like, and definitely we are going to see how the on order list type equals to square is assigned in in computer language. This equals sign is called is assigned. It's called assign. When you're in the tech field, you're going to get to know about this as time goes on. If you see a double, that you see a double, this is double is called equals to, but when you see one, it's called assign. You're assigning the on order list as a type square. So let's run the code. So I told you about here going to run the code on active file, but we are not going to do that. We are still going to return to the previous document and hit the refresh button. So let's go back to our browser. So this is a refresh. We hit the refresh button. Everything comes back to what we are working on. Order list we circle. As you can see, order list is circle. Everything is circled. Look at the circle. Everything is circled. Then the numbers be imputed. The order leaves to with square. As you can see, the order list with square. These are the square format. Order list with square. So guys, thank you for being here with me. Please, you can drop your questions on the comment section as I will be leaving the stream. Thank you for listening to my personal experience in tech. I'll do my best to get better as time goes on, and I'll be consistent in whatsoever I'm doing and devoted to giving you guys the explanation you need in any field you want me to check out and explain more on them. I'll improve as time goes on, and I'll do my best. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.